Huh? What you say, Mom? No, you said something I don't even know. I didn't even know that he was here. So guys, welcome to the stream. Be humble. So you want to grab health packs, right? Oh, come here, because you can't even chop, I don't know. Back up. Back up. Back up. Oh no. Oh no, you are garbage. Oh yeah, you is garbage. Thought you was gonna chop me. Oh. Oh my god. You missed so much chops. Oh. Finally. I know y'all guys told her. I was like 12. Missed stumble chops. Could have easily slapped those. Stop kicking me. Still got BST. How he hit me 4 times and I just respawned. Not really talking that much. Last stream. Yeah, I never stay. Alright, so guys, I'm finna join the KSG crew again. Cause I still wanted to clip those videos. And this dude had the same KSG crew sign as the one now. So I'm gonna start back into this. I'm gonna have back all my outfits that I made for KSG. Over that. On game. On ticket. On ticket. On ticket. Ah! Ticket. You dookie. You dookie. You dookie. You dookie. You dookie. But stop running. Fight me. Leave those help packs. That was an easy chop. I'm gonna say. Yo, y'all saw my health. Y'all seen my health. Yo, I'm just laying down and watching. Well, I got BST. Chop me real quick, yo. Chop me, chop me. I ain't gonna come up to you. Chop. Chop me. Run around, chop me. You don't know how to run around, chop? Dude, just chop me regular. How you can stumble chop, but you can't chop me regular? It's trash. Thank you. And let me show you a chop at it. No, let me show you a run around chop. What's the name again? Stand still real quick, cause I'm making a YouTube video. I want them to see. So first, you go like this when you're lag running. Run around them. Oh my bad. Oh, yeah, like that. Jesus, even got me. Yeah, I'm done now. Nah, I'm actually. I don't want to top you. But I could do it faster. It's just that I haven't played on this account in a long while, so can't really minimize it. It's clip. It's clip. It's clip. It's clip. It's clip. Oh my god, bro. How we. Oh, that was a chop out of nowhere. I just didn't time it correctly. Yeah, that's what I mean, but way faster. Oh, my bad, baby. It's adorable. Oh my god. Alright, you wanna get health? I'm gonna glitch fight you like hell. Oh my god. You cannot beat me without getting health packs. That's a fact. Fight, boy. Stuck in the trap, 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 stuck in the trap. I'm gonna change into my KSG crew since I'm in this community. I'm trying to find out if I can play with him or not. That is what I'm trying to find out. Yeah, I'm not gonna raise Cody, I'm just switching my crew. Mom, on Saturday, can we go to the park? If you're open, Starlight or Katona. Or should I join my KSG crew or my Supreme crew? Or Juani, or I'm already in Top Gods. Damn! Damn, KSG's full. Supreme is full. Juani gang full. I'm dead. Let me see if I can find Juani in here. Dang, can't. Lame. I got 2 crews. Squad. Hold up, I'm gonna read your text right now. I'm just looking through these invitation. Oh nah. I'm finna look at you. I do not go to any other.
Oh, you mean the coupon? Yeah. No, that's gone. I already used it. Once you use it once, oh, so I can't use it again?
Yeah, I was already joining when I saw you join the party.
Yeah, what's up?
Oh, good.
Come on, man. Yeah, you know the new Fortnite mode is out?
Which one?
The getaway.
How is it? Like, how does it play? Is it good?
It's a little trash. And then the grappler is out.
Oh yeah, I'm finna go to Tilted. I'm going to Tilted when I get back on the game.
You wanna play right now?
I bet. Hold up, let me join my crew.
Alright. Hey, no. Good. I
hear
got like
myself.
one of them. I'm joining Fortnite right now.
Alright. I'm just making I'm making a different character and I'm finna join you.
Right here. Yeah, it's just this one.
Oh, my other character trying to be like me. Yeah, if you go on my live stream, look at my other character.
There's nothing but winter clothes. Huh?
If you go on my live stream
right now.
Look at this white boy.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Exactly.
Huh? No.
Yeah, I just
Mommy
fixed
gives
them
them
to
all the way to the
100.
shelter.
I just fixed them to 120 already.
Yeah, those are new. Yeah. Oh, but you already know because I got those. Huh? That's a cover. That's a cover.
Dude, they got mad ugly dads.
Huh? BLT. She went somewhere with Ebony. It's good. When? Mommy's leaving Thursday. I'm going to Uncle Robert's house. And I might go to my dad's house on the weekend too. Okay. Hey.
Oh, hell to the no, this is ugly.
What are you doing, my dude?
Yo, y'all gotta help me. Y'all gotta help me.
Cool. Okay. Okay. What are you
Yo,
doing,
fix
my
that,
dude?
fix that, yo, fix that. Yo, what is that?
What is what?
That sound.
That's your life.
That's your phone.
Exactly, that's the phone. Like, what do you mean, brother?
I feel like I'm the delivery.
What is I'm back bus?
I am back, Buzz. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Yo, I just told
What do you mean, brother?
you. On dang.
Oh.
I'm hopping on what's the name again?
For
Yo,
that? I bet. Oh.
hey Alexis. Hi black girl.
One. Yeah. But my
Are you
aunt is gonna
serious?
make me one. My aunt is gonna make me one. Where you at, buddy? I'm gonna invite you.
Moda. What is okay? I'm joining.